Hi, it's Loco.
And I'm Max. Welcome back to Learn with Loco. Loco, have you ever felt like you were telling a story, but you got lost in the timeline of events?
Oh, absolutely. It's like trying to explain a movie plot and realizing you forgot to mention the most important part from the beginning.
Exactly. That's usually because we're missing one specific time-traveling tense, the past perfect.
It sounds like a secret code, doesn't it? But honestly, it's just a way to say, hey, this happened even earlier than that other thing.
Let's demystify it for our viewers today.
Think of the past perfect as a time machine that takes you further back into the past.
So, if I have two past actions, how do I know which one needs the past perfect?
Use it for the action that happened first. The simple past is for the action that happened second.
Give me an example, then. My brain is already starting to piece this together.
Imagine I arrived at the cinema. But wait, the movie had already started.
The movie had already started. That's the past perfect right there, because starting happened before arriving.
Exactly. If you just said, the movie started, it sounds like it began the moment you walked through the door.
Got it. The had plus past participle structure puts it clearly in the deeper past.
But Max, what happens if I forget to use it? Will people stop understanding me?
Well, you won't get arrested by the grammar police, but your story might get confusing.
True. Like saying, I ate the pizza because I was hungry. That makes sense, right?
It does. But what if you want to emphasize that the hunger happened before the eating?
Then I'd say, I ate the pizza because I hadn't eaten anything all day.
Perfect. See? Hadn't eaten makes it clear that the hunger was a long-term problem, not just a 5-minute thing.
Another mistake learners make is overusing it when it's not needed.
Like saying, I had went to the store instead of I went.
Yes. If there's no other action to compare it to, you don't need the past perfect. Keep it simple.
Let's talk about my favorite way to use this, the phrase by the time.
Oh, that is the classic signal for the past perfect. It's like a neon sign for learners.
By the time I finished my homework, my friends had already left the party.
That's a great one. It creates two clear layers of time for the listener.
What about this one? By the time we got to the station, the train had left.
Ouch. That's a sad story, but grammatically it's spot on.
The had left part makes the disappointment much clearer, doesn't it?
It really does. Without the had, it just sounds like a regular sequence of events.
It's all about the context you provide for your listeners.
So, let's wrap this up for everyone watching. What's the golden rule?
If you have two events in the past, use past perfect for the one that came first.
And use had plus the past participle like had seen, had gone, or had finished.
Don't overthink it, but use it to show off your storytelling skills.
Exactly. Just imagine you're a pilot in a time machine navigating the past.
Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We hope this makes your English stories much smoother.
See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to practice in the comments. That's it for today's lesson.
Subscribe for more English lessons, and we'll see you in the next one.